Welcome to our live streams. This is where the grown-ups trade. No hype, no flexing, no TikTok guru nonsense. Just focus, discipline, and respect for the craft. Here we trade gold, the oldest store of value on Earth, at the precision scalping level. That's where trading gets real. Where a single tick too early or too late decides everything. It's the hardest style of trading there is. And the highest form, too, because it demands mastery of mind, structure, and emotion. Execution over ego. Reaction over prediction. Can it be the most lucrative? Yes, but only for those who earn it. There are no shortcuts here. You can't fake discipline at 10-second speed. Most gurus out there sell you dreams from their demo accounts. We build traders who can survive the market on their own terms. We don't promise easy wins. We teach you how to build a system that doesn't break when you do. If you're here, you already know what that takes. Courage, grit, gumption, the willingness to get punched in the face by uncertainty and still show up tomorrow with your rules intact. Because precision scalping isn't just a trading style, it's a mirror. It shows you who you are under pressure, and it forces you to get better, not just as a trader, but as a person. The focus you build here, the emotional control, the ability to act without hesitation, those are life skills. They translate everywhere. So welcome to the Barcelona Trader, where we practice the hardest craft in markets and one of the most rewarding in life. Let's get to work.
All right, good morning. Good morning, here we are. Another day, another dollar. Back on our beta streams. All right, let's see what we're looking at here. We have some analysis that I've already posted to Facebook at Gold Traders XAUUSD and futures. You can see what we're talking about here. The headline flashing across the terminals this morning is the primary driver. World markets rocket higher on optimism. Iran war could end soon. The risk-on rally, usually peace optimism, causes safe haven assets like gold to drop. But that's not what's happening today. Equities are surging and the VIX has dropped to 24.10. The dollar collapse. Look at your correlation matrix. The US dollar index has cleanly rejected that 100 level and is sliding down to 99.5. When the dollar weakens this aggressively, gold gets mechanically bid up by the algorithms. We're not seeing a fear-driven rally today. We're seeing a pure anti-dollar momentum squeeze. So let's talk about market sentiment. The vibe, relentless bullish momentum. The gold volatility index, as we've seen, is a break in the absolute panic. The GVZ has dropped from last week's catastrophic 45 plus levels down to 38.89. While it is still an extremely elevated and dangerous market, it means liquidity providers are slowly starting to step back into the order books. The tape will be slightly smoother today than the erratic chop we survived last week. Let's talk about the technical picture. Let's first bring down the music vibe a little bit here. The technical picture, what do we have? Our current price was about 47.48. It was 47.31 when I wrote this analysis, and the 1 hour and the 15-minute charts were printing massive unbroken bullish Hakanashi mountains. The TDFI, the momentum indicator that I have at the bottom of my screens, although it's not at the bottom of these screens, it's at the bottom of my other time frames. It's this one right here, the squiggly line. We're looking at the 1 minute chart right now. So that TDFI momentum indicator was maxed out to the upside. We have completely shattered the monthly pivot, the MPP, near 47.28. That is true. We are now above the DR1. which is at 47.40 approximately. We're pushing 47.47 right now. Okay, so the immediate structural target, the psychological magnet, is the 47.50 level, so that's what we're approaching now. And above that, we've got the DM4. So we can price the DM4 before the market even really gets going this morning. It's only 7:37 right now. We officially start our sessions at 8 a.m. Although in the pre-session minutes, we do sometimes see movements that are worth participating in. Okay. Well, you can go to Facebook and see that analysis for yourself with a nice little graphics card that explains the whole thing. In the meantime, let's see what we have going here. Here's the 5-minute XAUUSD chart, and here we have the DXY. On the top right is the 30-minute chart. On the bottom right is the 1-minute chart. Dollar has been pushing down. We're at 99.459. Significant drop from where we were at $1 at 100 yesterday and the day before. And here's our execution page. Here's our execution charts. In the upper corner, we have spot gold on the 10-second. Dead center, we've got gold futures on the 10-second. I like to watch it on spot and on futures because this is where we do our charting. We have all of our pivots there. And then down below here, we have the 1-minute DXY chart. Or here on the far right, we have the spot Renko. This is a nice move right now that we could be participating in, but we aren't because we're here chatting. And it looks like there's a little room for this to go up. This might be a buy right here. Let's wait and see how this reacts. Right here on the bear volume. If we can push through that bear volume, I think we're going to the DM4. Sudden surge of momentum here. Okay, I don't like to get involved with it when it's sitting right on the bear volume. Exactly. All right, we like to come to the charts with our analysis done. All right, we're going to get the Zoom room going. think I got in a little bit early there, but I did just get into a buy. Well, it's not wanting to do what I thought it was going to do. We'll give it another minute or so. All right, I might just be able to quit it there, so we'll get out with a couple dollars loss. See if we can make it go again. Yeah. Yeah, I should have stayed in the first time.
Morning.
Hey, good morning, Tono. How you doing?
Good. How you doing, bro?
Okay. Got YouTube back on some beta trials here.
Okay, good.
Gearing up for everything here this month.
Good. Anything happening?
Now, I took a buy and lost money.
Looks like the market should be going up, though.
Can you see my screen the way I have it distributed a little bit differently now?
Yeah, looks good. What's the main chart?
The main chart in the middle is gold futures.
Okay.
The chart on the upper left is gold spot. The chart on the lower left is DXY.
Gotcha.
And then on the right, it's the Renko. You can see I rearranged our boxes.
You got the wrinkle right. That's good.
We have news at 8:30.
Oh, good.
We've got ADP non-farm employment change and core retail sales month over month, and then just plain retail sales month over month. And I posted the analysis to Facebook. I think I need to get a Discord channel going, and
Okay.
I'll try to do that today. And then I'll let all of our guys know that we're going to start doing this.
Nice.
And
Just tell me you want me to set up the LLC.
right. All right. We'll probably have to get that going next week or the week after. Let's get everything out of the gate and then do that. Music too loud?
That was good.
Overall, I'll be trying to get up here to the DM4.
Let's see. Yeah.
One minute for 8 o'clock. And our session begins. Although I already took the liberty of taking a little pre-market loss. 8 o'clock. I'll wait for it to commit. These algorithms kind of go berserk. You in?
I'm not in yet.
Coming right back down onto a support on the daily pivot. What's that? Yeah. Are they on the sitting on the here? They are right here.
You in?
Yeah. But
Buy or sell?
it was a sell. It's not doing what I thought it was going to do. I thought it was about to pop down.
Yeah, they too.
I'm out with $5. I didn't want to hang around with that. All that want to break even. It's hard to feel good enough about $5 to call it a win.
It wasn't a loss.
It
Look
wasn't
at
a
it
loss.
positively. Yeah, you know.
Yeah, but I think if I lose under $5, I also call that a break even.
Yeah.
Might pop down now. It's looking like it again. There you go. That would have been $20, $30. There's nothing to trade here. What are we doing? What am I doing?
There's the sell.
Oh, yeah. Nah, too much support right there on the 1 minute.
Yeah, it's too choppy.
Yeah, I took that one because it was 8 o'clock. It looked like it had picked a direction, which it had. It just didn't quite pop when it was. That's a sell there, yeah.
That's the sell.
But again, this resistance on the or the support 1 minute, I wouldn't have taken it. And now we're in a support on the 5 minute Haganashi and the 15 and the daily pivot.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, even though it pushed through there and the price action looked good, I think I wouldn't have taken the trade because of all of those support areas, and also the differential on blue, the gold differential. Looks like gold's a lot stronger. So I wouldn't have taken that. Did you take it?
No. But this thing wants to push down.
Yeah. Yeah. Which is weird because, you know, it didn't.
Yeah.
It did. Oh, yeah.
Full volume on the 10-second.
Yeah. Yep. It's always good for a little bounce. Yeah, it comes back. Dollar's trying to come back up now, so might be good to go down.
I think I'll take it.
Yeah. Perfect timing. Oh, don't come back on us. Ah. Oh. Damn it. Oh, I got out on time, I think.
You jumped out,
Yeah.
but the wrinkle is still showing momentum down.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah.
I'm in $100 profit already.
Wow. Really?
Yeah, on spot gold.
Oh, wow.
130. Maybe I just take the 120.
Yeah. I must be off a little bit today. My boom boom stick going here. I don't like the way it's moving. I don't know. Maybe it's me. Maybe I'm just a little off today.
No, it's choppy. It's pretty choppy. It's I guess 8:30. We'll see something.
Yeah, I would assume. Hi, sweetie. I'm bored.
Yeah.
I'm bored and I want to place a trade. Not the right thing to do. All right. Right now it looks like we are coming down right on the DR1. So now we just wicked through it, but now we're back above it again. Got that right there. Having trouble breaking below the DR1.
Right on it. Mine is 41. So yeah.
Here, that's coming through.
You ran?
No. You?
Yeah.
And too much support on the 1 minute. And too close to the X open.
There it is.
Yeah, it wants to come down. It wants to push through there.
Yeah.
There you go. A little bit. Ah!
You ran?
No. No. There you go. Now you're in profit.
Yeah.
So you got more support here, so maybe take what you can get. There you go.
Yeah, that's good. Stay in it. Should have took my profit.
Yeah.
All right, it's coming back.
Yep.
There we go.
Yep. 1 minute and 10 seconds for the COMEX open. There's the COMEX open.
Yo,
Hey, man.
What's up, brother?
what up? You ain't doing nothing this morning, huh?
Not really.
No. We have news in 9 minutes. You guys see the news about Christy Noam's husband?
No, what's
Mm-mm.
happening?
So apparently, I don't know what journalist it was. I think a British journalism or a British magazine. Oh, look at this. We got to move here.
I'm good. I got really good. $300.
Nice.
And I could have rode even further.
Good for you.
Well, this is where I'm at today.
You had a pending sell in, or you was already in a sell?
I was already in sell.
It is not my day. I'm getting out of that. I took a buy there, thinking it was going to go up, and now it is, but it jerked me around so much there that I lost my nerve.
You mean you took a sell?
No, I took a buy. I thought it was going to bounce right here, and it is, it is bouncing a little bit. I would have made a little bit more. As it is, I made like $2 or $3. Again, I gotta call that a break even. Let's see, I gotta change my stats panel. We're on YouTube again today. So I guess I've taken 4 trades now. 1 loss, 3 break even. While Tono has been printing money over there, trading spot.
Yeah, I'm up 689.
689.
Yeah.
That's a good day. You should just go.
And I'm in another trade now that's $20 in profit.
Sell or buy?
Sell.
Sell.
I sold when you bought.
Oh.
We saw different things.
Yeah.
You just take the $50. I hate it when that shit slips me like that.
Yeah. I don't like having days where I just feel off. I feel like I'm reading the market wrong, or, just my timing is off. Today's one of those days. Jesus, man, come on. Why are you leaving the train station without me? The dollar is really climbing. Hit the MPP right now, so caution if you're still in a sell.
I'm out right now.
Nice.
I built this indicator for TradingView, man. I've been testing it for 2 days. It's a boring indicator because it only allows you to take $25 profits,
Uh-huh.
but it's spot on.
Really?
Yeah, for
How,
futures.
how does it only allow you to take $25 profits?
Because it works off of a breaker structure,
Uh-huh.
right?
Yeah.
So what it does is once you see the breaker structure, it has a box. And I've noticed that on the 1 second chart, it'll allow you to get up to $25 per trade before it breaks that structure again and goes reverse.
Huh.
So if you want to take 10, $25 trades to make your you know what I mean?
Uh-huh.
To make your nut, you can,
Wow.
you know, but it's not going to give you big payouts. But you're not losing big either,
Right.
you
Right.
know.
What's the win ratio of it?
I haven't lost a trade yet.
Really? Wow.
Yeah. I've actually back tested it and still haven't lost a trade. So I'll
Jeez.
show it to you when you're ready to see it.
Yeah, I'm ready
But I
to
think after I didn't want to really bring it up. I'm trading it for 2 days.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Right. Yeah,
But
give it a little bit. We got 1 minute
seems.
for 8:30 here.
All right, let's get ready. Boom, 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 boom.
ADP non-farm payroll came out at 8:15. That was 62,000. Good for dollar, bad for gold. I guess that's what drove that. We didn't realize that was coming out at 8:15.
Oh, where'd you see that at? 'Cause I didn't see that anywhere.
Forex factories. Now we've just got core retail sales and retail sales coming out now. Well, that pinned both directions.
Yeah.
Good for dollar. Good for dollar. Both counts. Good for dollar. I don't know. My indicators are telling me that gold should be doing the opposite of what it's doing. And so I think my read is off. I think my head's not in the right place.
I just took a sell. I was in profit. Now I'm negative.
Hitting the DR1 on top again right now.
That's good. Maybe it'll come back down.
You don't know if this is just a pull back to drop back down. What? This is just climbing.
Yeah, the MPP was probably pretty defended. And so it'll give it a nice bounce here before it turns around and does what it was going to do. Just when you thought it was going to come crashing down.
It's playing the games.
It's playing games. Playing games.
Tono, did you take a buy?
No, I'm going to sell.
Me too.
I got on the wrong side of it, so I'll just hold it for a minute.
Yeah, because I felt it was gonna pull up and do exactly what it did. I hedged 3 pips away.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, I just went on the edge. I already knew what it was gonna do.
I just don't like what I'm seeing. I don't feel like getting into anything.
If you're not a clear-headed person today, don't trade it.
Yeah, yeah.
You just can't. You won't be on the right side of it.
Yeah, it's tricking me. Every time I think it's gonna turn around, it keeps shooting up. Whoa, we missed a lot just then.
Mike, when E-Man or I talk,
Yep.
your screen goes black.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It just has our name. Like right now, it just came back to you, but when E-Man starts talking, it goes to a gray screen.
Oh, you know what? He's not. You know why? I think I've. Okay, here's why. Hang on. All right, you should see like the screen with you on the bottom and me on top. Is that what you see?
Yes.
Okay. And so when you and I talk, we're always visible, right?
Okay.
And when E-Man talks, I don't think anything should. We should just hear
Yeah.
him.
When he talks, it pops up gray.
So
Where?
y'all need me to keep talking. Y'all see it
Like right now, the screen is completely gray. I
right
see
now.
me. I see your tiny screen, a little tiny me, and a little email, but the middle of the screen is all gray.
Huh. That's weird. It's not what's happening on YouTube, but so that's what's happening on
You want me
on
to take
Zoom.
a picture and show you?
Sure. Why not?
E-Man, hold on a second.
All
E-Man,
right.
say something.
All right. I'm the best looking man in the world. Can you see it?
Just say whatever's on your mind, E-Man. E-Man, I'm the best back-looking man in the world. That's what I'm thinking
In
about.
the whole wide world.
All right, I just sent it to you.
All right. I just got into a trade, so we'll see how this goes. Losing confidence in myself.
Took a sell or buy?
Just took a
Oh, it just broke up, jammed up.
man.
Mike, you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, he said.
Yeah, it said took it, and then it stopped. It wouldn't let you say nothing else.
Yeah, whatever. I'll take $10. Whatever. Can't catch no break today. I'm calling that a win. That's $10. $10 is $10.
So with this new indicator, I'm up 160 bucks. Just taking small trades, 10, 25, 25, 15, 25, 10.
Kind of like my trade.
And that works in almost any market because it's on the 1 second, or what?
Yeah, it works on any market. Yeah. But compared, I'm up 860 on my spot. So is it worth it?
Well, I don't know.
Yeah, it depends on what style of trading you are.
Well, actually, it's probably worth it if you're doing multiple props.
Yeah.
Right? Then it's worth it. I'm done trading on spot. So I'm happy with that. I'm just going to concentrate on futures.
Well, it's about to let us out down low.
You're still in that sell, E-Man?
Yep.
I'm out. Why are you still in it?
Because
you got it below.
It ain't came back and let me out yet. I hedged 3 pips away, so it ain't hurting me.
So Christy Noem's husband apparently is a cross-dresser who, dresses up as a woman online and talks to, I don't know, he has a fetish called bimboization, where he yeah.
Well, that's her career.
Yeah, so I don't kink shame anybody. They can, whatever, but consenting adults can do whatever they want to. But I think it's kind of funny because they live these puritanical lives of they're against these things.
But that's the problem. That if they just live their lives, it's one thing. But because it's so hypocritical,
yeah.
That's the problem. I can't see the target.
Well, that was a dud of a news day.
Yeah.
So I'll have to fix whatever's wrong with the Zoom. Fortunately, it's not affecting the YouTube broadcast, but I'll have to figure out what's going on with that.
Right.
Ooh, wow, look at that. That's a fake out to the bottom and then kabam.
Yeah. What the hell was that?
That was the 45-minute candle.
Yeah, my computer didn't even keep up with that. I ain't even see none of that happen.
Oh, wow. Bottom just dropped out of the dollar. Did Trump just tweet something? Checking.
He had to.
Oh my God, bro.
So yeah, 57 seconds ago, Iran has just asked the U.S. for a ceasefire. We will consider when the Hormuz Strait is open, free, and clear. Until then, we are blasting Iran, or as they say, back to the Stone Ages. So it says, our new regime president, much less radicalized and far more intelligent than his predecessors, has just asked the United States of America for a ceasefire. We will consider it when the Hormuz Strait is open. So yeah, that's what that thing was.
So he didn't ask us. He asked the United Emirates.
No, they asked, or Iran asked us for a ceasefire, and Trump says we will consider it once the Hormuz Strait is open. Until then, we're continuing to blast Iran into oblivion. I mean, that moved the market violently and quickly, but not very much. Just about 10, less than 20 pips.
Enough to block out some stop losses.
Yeah,
Exactly.
enough to knock out everybody's stop losses.
Enough to piss you off.
Yeah.
That's about all it did. Just fuck with people's stop losses.
Yeah. It's interesting because he has said so many false things that moved the markets and then turned out to be false that now the markets don't believe him. You know, they just.
Yeah, exactly.
Did you hear? Did you hear his quote from this past weekend?
Mm-mm.
Okay, hang on, I gotta read it to you. All right, he says, "You don't have to wait a lifetime to find out if somebody is a winner or a loser. You got a lot of losers, mostly losers. Fortunately, it's a good thing to have a lot of losers. I always like to hang around with losers, actually, because it makes me feel better." And then he says, "I hate guys that are very, very successful and you have to listen to their success stories. I like people who like to listen to my success."
Yeah, I saw that, man. It was ridiculous. Mike, I think you're gonna like this indicator, man.
Yeah, okay. Well, I'm looking forward to.
I'm up 260 now,
And
and I'm
it's
just taking small trades.
okay.
All right, but tell me what your indicator said for this next trade right here up in the dude.
Well, it's not trading gold.
Oh,
I mean,
okay.
it's not trading spot, man.
Oh, okay.
Is it trading futures?
It's trading futures.
Uh-huh.
We may not blow a count with that though, Mike.
How many? Oh, right. So you said you haven't lost yet. Um, but how much of it is discretion?
What do you mean by discretion?
I mean, you have your indicator, but
Right.
is it completely mechanical? Could you program it, or is it you're watching the price action and there's
You know, I could actually. I'm watching the price action, but I'm quite sure I can go back in and make it manual, automated. If you
automated?
wanna, if you, yeah, it's real simple though, man. It's like it, you just follow this indicator. It just takes you right down to the target, and you take your profit,
Okay, but
and you don't get.
how did you
You know,
build? Like, what were the rules that you built into the indicator?
you want me to read them to you? There's a lot.
Oh. Okay, maybe not. Maybe you can send them to me.
Actually, you could probably. I think it's. You can go on TradingView because I think I made it public.
Okay. All right.
I think it's public. Yeah. If not, I'll just give you because in TradingView it'll break down. It has all the rules laid out for you.
Oh, okay. What's it called?
Breaker structure, coda breaker structure.
Coda breaking structure. Okay.
Let me see. Is that what it is?
And you
Yeah,
say you
coda
built
breaker
this.
structure. Yeah.
You say
Coda
you built
breaking
this one, right?
structure.
Yeah. But it's only for TradingView, man.
Yeah.
Okay, I see it. Break a structure up. Okay, so I have it here on my 15-minute chart. What do you put it on? Your 10? 1 second?
I just have it on the
1
1
second?
second chart. I have it on all of my charts, but I'm not even watching them. I'm just watching the 1 second chart. So long story short, you'll see the breaker structure box up or down,
Yeah.
red or green, right?
Yep.
Let's say it's going down, breaker structure.
Yep.
You can get there's a green and red rectangular box.
Yep.
You see it?
Yep.
One of them has the sweet spot to get in. The other one is not. Is why can't I speak today, man? So you get in the sweet spot of that box, and you take profit at the target, right?
So you get in when it so right now if it prints break of structure down,
Right.
that's when
Right
you.
now, I'm actually watching the Nasdaq. You want me to move it over to gold? I
Oh
can.
no, it's all right. You can see it on my screen. But
Okay.
or you don't have to. I was just
Yeah. No. Go ahead.
so where. Show me an area where you would get in. Was it where you prints the label break of structure down? That's where you'd take a sell.
All right. Did it say break a structure down? Because I can't really read your screen.
Yeah, I'm just
Okay.
looking back a little bit. I'm not looking right at.
All right. So if it said break a structure down,
Uh-huh.
if you're in that green zone, you take the sell.
Okay.
You take it down to the take profit. Let me just double check something real
Oh, where
quick.
it says best target.
Yeah, I want to make sure that that what is your open up the settings.
Okay, hang on. Okay.
And tell me what your settings say on inputs.
Swing pivot length 5, equal high low tolerance 0.05%.
Okay.
Show swing labels, show
You just
liquidity
go to
length.
HTF bias time frame, put on 15 minutes.
Oh. Okay. 15
And then
minutes.
you just follow from there. Yeah.
Okay.
Try it on your demo before you actually,
Yeah. Okay. So.
But you keep all your other indicators, but you just follow this thing. When you enter right on the breaker structure, if you're in the right box, right? If you're in the wrong color box, that can actually be a reversal.
I
So
don't
don't get in
understand
on
what
that.
you mean the right color box.
Well, I can't. There's a green and red rectangular box. You
Yeah.
see it, right? Okay. So one of them is your sweet spot to get in. The other one is you're not to get in because you might have missed a run already.
Oh, I see.
Right.
I see. Okay.
So it's reverse for buy and sell. I believe the sweet spot for the red, for the sell is the red box.
Yeah.
If it's already in the green, you've already missed the sweet spot, so you want to wait because it could be a reversal on it.
Right.
And
Got
vice versa.
Got it.
Right.
Okay. I got to get rid of another indicator on here that's also painting boxes, and so it's getting me confused. Let me see if I can do that. I think that is.
And if you follow just those two rules, getting in the right box,
Yeah.
taking the target, you're taking 10, 20, 25, $30 a trade.
Right. I got it. Okay. I see.
But the main thing is, you're not going into $100 drawdowns or anything like that. You're really getting in and out of trades without having a big drawdown
Right.
because they're quick. They're under 10-second trade, 10-second or more trades. And I have a timer, which I'm going to redo because I don't like the way it looks.
So make sure you stay in 10 seconds.
No, I have the timer to make sure I stay in 10 seconds, but I also have a indicator. I'll take a snapshot so you can see it because I can't see very well now. So I'm looking at bigger numbers, and I got to change this because when they put my name on it, I want to take that off. You see the text I just sent you?
Yeah.
So you see the bottom one?
Yeah.
It has the time as opposed to looking to the right,
Oh, yeah.
right? And then the dashboard also tells you the chart time frame, whether the structure is bullish, bias, last break of structure, and the target.
Oh yeah.
Right?
Uh-huh.
You can put them across different charts, but I found that the 1 second is giving me those sweet little, um, you know,
Yeah.
small wins, but they add up.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know.
Okay. All right. I'll look at this a little bit later today. Thank you.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, I think I'm done. I'm good. I'm done for the day, fellas. All right.
I'm gonna give it a
Yeah.
little bit after 9.
If I made what you made, I'd be done too. Cause look at this big thick resistance on what, the 1 minute. You see that? That's all the way down back to 4,600.
Yeah.
It's been fighting all morning to come down.
It's trying. All right, fellas. I'm out.
All right. See you,
All right.
Tono.
Peace.
Yeah, it's been trying to break this resistance right here all morning, man.
Yeah. Yeah.
We probably should leave too.
Yeah, it's not a very promising morning here.
Yeah, I think it need to make its move. While it's trying to make its move, that's when we lose our shirts.
Yeah.
See, it's trying to get there. I was trying to ride it down to where it's at now, but I got out. I was in at a sale at 25. I was trying to catch it to 22,
Mm.
but I just went on and got out with no profit, about maybe a cent. It's too funky. Nah, there you go.
Yeah, but it's jerky.
Yeah. Man, that resistance go all the way down to the 60s pretty much.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that was the 9 o'clock there, so.
I was doing what I thought it would do this morning.
Yeah. But it just keeps pushing more down into more support zones, and it's just being too.
Yeah, too raggedy.
Yeah. Yeah. I think I'm going to quit because I can't see. I'm not making any money in this market, and I'm just getting decision fatigue.
All right. I'll let you.
All right, man. Good seeing you. I'll
Yes,
catch you
sir.
this evening, or well, I guess this evening. No, 'cause
Y'all
it's
done made it
Wednesday.
back. You made it back home yet?
Yeah, I'm back in New York. Yeah.
How long you been back?
Couple week. No, a week. Been back a week.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Well, that'll work then, man.
All right. I'll catch you soon. All right.
All
See
right.
ya. Bye. All right, YouTube. I think that's gonna be it. We protected our capital. Let's start calling it, winding it down, right? That's what we need to do. We always try to wind it down and give ourselves I don't know, some good music to ride on out like this. I'll see you tonight.